if you think you just might need a little bit of inspiration to find some of those really unique gift ideas, well, we've got some help right here. Designer Karla Dreyer is with us once again. So good to see you.
So good to see you too.
You
Happy
inspire
holidays.
me every time you come into this.
Thank you. That is the best compliment ever, and I hope I inspire the viewers.
Well, you have set up a lot of interesting ideas, so let's sort of approach this like speed shopping.
Okay.
How's that?
Let's do it. Let's do it.
The most intriguing thing on the list right now. Okay, you can set it up if you like.
Okay, well, these gifts are all, I think, for the person who you just don't know what to get for, which I think is everybody right now. And so, and we've got a couple weeks, so we're good. So these are all either local shops, local makers, entrepreneurs, artisans. So I'm excited to break it down.
All right. Yeah. This one's caught my attention.
This is so cool. So when it's closed, you would just think this is a book on your side table, right? But no. You open it up, and this is actually a light that could be placed on your side table. Love this. Local store Walrus always has the coolest things. It's a charger for your phone. It's magnetic, so if you put something on your wall, like you can actually paint a magnetic thing on your wall and you could actually hang it on there. It's just so cool.
It's so
versatile. From a design perspective. And cordless. There's a little version. And then I thought, sort of speaking of light, was, I don't know, it gets dark so early now and you can't see anybody. There's these reflectors that are just so cool. They just clip on, and you could literally, clip it on your sleeve. So you take the dog
walking
for a
in the
walk.
dark, on your bicycle, put it on. Well, I like that on the sleeve.
Stroller,
top of your boot if you're wearing your wellies.
Everywhere.
That type of thing.
Yes. So I think this is a great stocking stuffer for people.
Nice.
So,
now, can we peek inside of this?
So this is so Vancouver, right? You don't need mechanical things for your car. You need them for your bike.
A bicycle repair kit.
Yeah, isn't that cute?
Everything in one. Well, that's just
everything. And people are spending a lot of money on their bikes, so to have that, I think, is really special.
Well, you pointed out they are the new vehicles. Okay, moving along.
Okay, I love this. It's from a company called the School of Life, and it's all about getting you thinking. And so when I was looking over these books, like there's one about relationships, or they're great thinkers. It's not about telling you a how-to. It's more just creating questions. And speaking of questions, they actually have like a deck of cards that you would get, and you could pull, like on Christmas time with your family, pull a card and say, this one, adults are annoying because what comes to mind?
Oh, I see. That's just conversation starter.
Conversation starters. So just things that are thinking. Maybe you're around the table with your kids.
Well, I was just reading on being nice. Why affectionate teasing is kind and necessary.
So okay, there you go.
We've already given them some great advice. Moving along.
Okay, so this is really cute. This is called a company of creating souvenirs that don't suck, Maine and local.
Yes.
Which I love the tagline, souvenirs that don't suck. And I had to bring this in because
it's the CBC.
Well, there's a bit of
but look at this.
Look at that.
CBC Socks. Oh my God. Dan Bird is going to want a copy of these. I know he's going to want
So I think this is a great gift for someone visiting, out of town relatives.
Well, I'm curious about this one. Would you suggest giving someone a piece of art?
Well, yeah, and we were talking about this earlier, and I thought about this because art is a personal thing, definitely. But I think photographic prints look so beautiful. I know from a design perspective in every space. Local gal curate, she makes these photos that are all got a lot of white space, so I feel they go in any sort of room or design.
Oh, okay. This one's Deep Cove?
That's Deep Cove. So I just love the feel of it, and I think you would keep that, of course, forever.
Okay, here's some things you probably would not buy for yourself. What did you bring?
Totally. Okay, so I had a bath in these last night. Lovely bath
salt. Those are I thought it was seasoning or something.
Oh, no. You could probably eat it because it's all natural.
Got it.
Just beautifully hand done. These charcoal toothbrushes. Again, would you buy this for yourself?
No.
Probably, but it whitens your teeth.
Charcoal toothbrush.
It disinfects, lovely candles you wouldn't buy for yourself, adaptogens, which are big.
Adaptogens.
Yes. So these are just things to help your body. You put them in your coffee, you put them in your smoothie. Mushrooms are all the rage right now. This is like from a health perspective. Yeah.
Who knew?
Who knew?
I probably wouldn't buy it for myself, but if I got it in a gift bag or something, why not?
A razor a non-disposable razor, you just change the blade maybe once every sort of year on that. It's a beautiful
It looks old-fashioned. That looks like an art piece.
Isn't that
actually.
nice?
Yeah.
Right,
beautiful.
again, something you wouldn't buy yourself, but local company,
and getting away
Harlow,
from disposable, as you're saying.
Disposable. Masks for your butt. I'm throwing you off.
You explain that.
Okay, this is okay. I know, but I had to bring it in because apparently this is, not only is it just for the face anymore, but apparently for the butt. So I thought, you know what, to give that to someone, you don't even need to explain further because it's just so funny.
Hands up if any of you have ever heard of these or ever wanted one of these on your Christmas list. That is hilarious.
Isn't that funny?
Yes,
I know.
shake it. So
Yeah.
it says shake it, apply to clean skin, keep it on for 10 to 15 minutes, take it off.
I haven't tried, but I may. I've left you
buddy.
speechless.
Yes, you completely sidelined me on that one.
And then I thought, you know, giving back. Like, you know, I know my mother-in-law said instead of buying gifts, give to a charity. And so something like I give to the Her Initiative, which is for $25, you can give clean water to a woman and her family for a year. So, you know, do that with maybe a tumbler for water to reduce waste.
Oh,
so, you know,
nice
just
idea.
thinking outside of the box a little bit and giving back. And then these socks, these are
And
amazing. And this
hat.
too is something I
Come
have
on.
and I absolutely love. All handmade.
Right,
gorgeous.
with the big knitting
The big
needles.
knitting
it's
needle.
loosely done. Now, who
Yeah.
wouldn't want to cozy up with that? And you've even brought in some beautiful decoration. It smells
This is from my tree.
seasonal
The clippings from the bottom.
Carla, happy holidays to you.
Happy
Thank you for some
holidays.
great ideas.
Oh, good. Thank you for having me.